Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oysters on the stove. Start with fresh, live oysters, ensuring they are tightly closed. Give them a good scrub under cold, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, set up your steamer. You'll want about 1 inch of water boiling vigorously in the pot. Carefully arrange the cleaned oysters in a single layer in the steamer basket. Cover tightly and steam for 5 to 10 minutes or until they pop open. For pan-fried oysters, begin by carefully shucking them and patting them completely dry with paper towels. Prepare a breading station with seasoned flour, an egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. Dredge each oyster through the flour, then the egg, and finally the breadcrumbs. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown crispness. To sauté oysters, first shuck them and gently drain any excess liquid. In a skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of butter or heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add the shucked oysters to the hot pan. Sauté them for just 1 to 2 minutes, tossing gently until their edges begin to curl. Finish with a pinch of salt, freshly ground pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs. For delicately poached oysters, carefully shuck them and reserve all of their natural liquor. In a small saucepan, bring about 1 cup of water, white wine, or light broth to a very gentle simmer. Add the reserved oyster liquor to the simmering liquid. Then, gently drop in the shucked oysters. Poach them for a brief 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until they become plump and opaque.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.